Hello everyone, welcome back again, and today we will discuss about the income idea that can generate 1 grand a month. Yes, $1,000 per month you can earn. So let's start. So first we can see that joining the Amazon affiliate program. Amazon affiliate program is very powerful. A lot of people earning a lot of money through Amazon affiliate program. You just make a review blog and provide the link so that visiting through your link you will earn a commission. Okay, and you can sell your blog if your blog generate monthly 1000, then you can generally sell it like 40,000 to sell the entire blog site. So it's very good program. Another program is you can start YouTube channel. A lot of YouTuber earning thousands of dollar. If you check a website called Social Blade, you will find which channel is earning the estimated earning of this channel. So starting a channel will be a good idea if you can provide good content and SEO them. Next idea is create a lead gen website for service business. Okay, in business, in service business, a lead is everything. If you had good lead, and you can create or generate or mine a lot of lead, so this lead will helpful for service business. Okay, so try to make this kind of site. And another one is invest in real estate. ये तो is so powerful. A lot of people earn, a lot of millionaire became millionaire through real estate investing, and this is very old business. This is the old game, but it still work. It's a green forever green niche to work with. Just buy some property, fix them and flip them. It's a good business. And the last one is creating a course. Yes, by creating a course you can earn a lot of money. I personally know some people, they actually earning more than 5,000 selling their course. So it may be anything from yoga instruction to the blog site making. A lot of people are earning a lot of money through creating a course. So try to understand what kind of course you can provide, get preparation, and after the preparation just launch it. So these were the program: the creating a course, invest in real estate, lead generation website, starting a YouTube channel, and join the affiliate program. So these were the idea. So it will be very helpful for you and you will join this program. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay, see you in the next video.